Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Uncapped Revenue-Based Financing. Review my usage experience. Uncapped Revenue-Based Financing. Review my usage experience offers revenue-based financing for businesses. It's designed to help companies access capital without giving up equity. The main purpose is to provide alternative funding options, targeting businesses that may not qualify for traditional loans or prefer to avoid equity dilution. Their website provides details on the application process and eligibility criteria. Their website highlights the ease of application, emphasizing a streamlined process and quick funding decisions. They boast of transparent pricing with no hidden fees and flexible repayment terms, which are adjusted based on revenue. The process seems fairly straightforward, and they claim to offer a much quicker turnaround than traditional bank loans. Availability is primarily for established businesses with a demonstrable revenue stream, but their website details the specific requirements. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Uncapped Revenue-Based Financing. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The online application only took about 30 minutes to complete, and they requested the standard financial information. Navigating their website and the application portal was intuitive. I found the dashboard clear and easy to use. It provided a real-time overview of my funding, repayments, and revenue projections. The funds were transferred within a week of approval, which was significantly faster than I anticipated. The whole process was incredibly smooth and efficient. I had a quick question about the repayment schedule, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, which was excellent. I was really impressed by how quickly I received the funding and how easily I could track everything on the dashboard. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited information provided on the website about the specific interest calculations, although their support team clarified everything for me. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Uncapped's revenue-based financing. It provided the capital I needed to expand my business without jeopardizing equity. That's my overview of Uncapped Revenue-Based Financing. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.